Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Most of us might experience, girls or boys, that post teenage we might start getting many skin problems like open pores, acne issues, pigmentation problems, all this. So when I also started getting like that post, consulted a dermatologist. So in that manner, when I visited a dermatologist, she suggested me that cleansing should be an important part in our skincare routine. So the work of cleansing is it removes the dead skin cells from our skin and keeps our skin look more healthier, glowing and hydrated by removing the excess oil from our skin. So that's the work of cleansing. So when I asked her the question, how can I do cleansing every day, she suggested me one product that was a complete life changer. So that product is this one, a very pocket friendly product. This is from brand Care Smith. It says on it as facial spa massager. This is a spa massager, so you can do facial spas at home using this product. We all know that massages have a greater impact on our skin. It improves the blood circulation level and makes our skin look more healthier and glowing. So going for a facial massage every time to a spa is a really expensive thing and not out of interest as well. So that in that manner I bought this product. It's been a year and it works just amazing. How it looks front and back. So it has tiny bristles here and a little bigger bristles here. So bigger bristles are generally for the under eyes. Correctly fits under eyes to do the massage or to gently massage it as well. And the other end, it has wave kind of lines here, and this is the on and off button, and it has a minus button here, plus button here, and a minus button here. The plus and minus button are to adjust the speeds. So this product has up to 5 speeds. So the fifth speed, the maximum speed is for deep cleansing, which we generally use it when we wear makeups. So whenever we wear makeups, removing it is very equally important. So that's about this. For every day we can go with the first or the second speed. For makeup days, I think the 4th and the 5th are the best. And when you give the start button, are you able to hear it? You can hear the vibration. It opts over 7,000 vibrations per minute. So this product is on sonic pulse wave technology, and also it has a very deep cleansing effect, but yet it is very gentle. It is hypoallergic product and IPX7 waterproof product as well. It has a 2-bush zone, so it is suitable for all skin types. And this product has no batteries. It is a rechargeable product. So they gave a charger with this that looks something like this. The point looks like this. You can use any socket, so this way. Since it is IPX7 waterproof, using it underwater and then charging it will not give any effect to this. So hope you're able to see there is one small dot kind of a valve here. So that is where we need to charge. So that's it. You can charge it, and once you remove it, the valve will auto close. So that's how this works. 2 hours of charge can last you 200 uses. So in this 1 year, I've charged it only once. It comes for a long way. So that's about this. And how to use it. This product, this can be used in 2 ways. The first way is, I'll show a demo. The first way is, you can when you're washing your face, use any face wash. So I've taken my face wash and gently massaging it. So you need to first massage it over your skin and then on this product by pressing the on button. Are you able to hear the vibration sound? So gently massage it in a circular motion. That is one way. If you're using it for the face wash, you can first apply the face wash and then bring out the lather and then use this in a circular motion. So and then you can wash it off. That is one way. Or the second way, directly you can put the face wash in this, wet it a little on it, and then massage it over the skin. So this is the 2 ways. Either you can put the face wash in your face, massage it, bring out the lather, and then use this tool to massage, or directly put the product in this, wet it a little and then give it a massage. So it is totally your option. So but I feel the first option is better, because if you use the product, it kind of gets stuck in the pores. It is again a waste of product, and also, you know, cleaning is a major concern there. So I would suggest the first way. Coming to how long you should do it, you can just do it for 1 minute. That is more than enough. For now I'm just using wet wipes. You can directly wash it under tap. It's going to make no change. So I'm using wet wipes. So the wet wipes I'm using is from the Doctor's Choice brand. It is alcohol free wet wipes. Use any brand, it is up to your choice. So this is one way. The second way, if you don't want to wet it and use it with face wash, there is another way to use it. It is with the Sonic lines, how to use it. I'm using the Good Vibes Tea Tree and Papaya Oil Control Serum. You can use any serum. Since mine is a sensitive and acne prone skin, I'm using tea tree oils. So if you are also having, you know, acne prone and sensitive skin, I would suggest you to try tea tree products. If you have a very oily skin, try something like a lemon or orange flavored products that has citrus in it. Have a dry skin, go for aloe vera or oil based serums. So this is the one that I use. So how to use it is, I'm taking little of this, and why I chose this serum is it is a oil free serum, and it is a very lightweight formula. So when you apply it, you will not feel the oiliness in your face. You can apply it on top of that, put your cream and just go for work. It just works amazing, and the price of this is 225 rupees. So I've taken some drops of the serum. Let me use it here. If it is visible, can you see that glowness? Yes, that is because of the serum. Take your thing on it and use the opposite side motion. You can massage it. So this is used for face shaping as well. So you can on it and do it this vertical ways. It helps you to lift up cheekbones and give you a contouring look. So that's how this is used. If you want to face your shape, use this side. If you want to deep cleanse your face, use this side. Okay, so this is how, in the upward direction, don't use it in the downward direction. So that's about this product. It is amazing for cleansing, and cleansing should be a part of your skincare. Do not forget it. So that's about this. I'll show you the box. So it comes, this is the box with which the product comes, and there are 2 sheets inside this. One is the manual on how you need to use it. So this is a warranty card which has a QR code. So this has a 2-year warranty. So that's about this product. And also it is very relaxing when you use this. I really feel very relaxing. You can also give it a try if you're interested. So this has 3 colors. This is blue Arctic, there is a lavender spunk, and pink taffy. So 3 colors, you can choose your favorite color. So I opted for this one. So that's about today's video. Hope this was useful and informative. If yes, give it a like and subscribe to my channel, as there are more interesting videos coming in. Catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.